everyone, welcome to Rosh Favorites. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all my journey to Kuala Lumpur. This time is for different purpose which I'm going to GRADUAN 2023. I will share more about that event and my journey in this video. Let's join. Thank you for the subscribers who subscribe to this channel and supporting me. Thank you so much. And this video was took on a weekend where I went to Kuala Lumpur for an event with my friend. So I'm going with my friend. So this video was shot inside the car. We start our journey at early morning because the event will start at 10 a.m. So we need to travel for more than 3 hours. So that's why we went there at early morning. So this is the scenario at Kuala Lumpur during that time. You can see there are a lot of bridges and MRT stations are available at here, and some tourist spots are also available at here. I could not manage to capture many things from here because I'm going to the event for one day event only, and then I will come back home, so I could not capture much on this video. That event is happening at KL Convention Centre, and the event name is GRADUAN. I am not very sure about the event is happening for how many years, but this time they label it as GRADUAN 2023. So they got a lot of companies participate in it, and you can see there are some of the pictures which I took from there. It was very insightful event because we can interact with the workers from each of the companies, and you can know more information related to the companies that you are like to apply for job. It will be great exposure to a newly fresh graduates who want to enter their first job. It was happened for 2 days event, but I only joined in one day only because I need to travel back to my hometown for some reason. After went from the KL Convention Centre, we went to a pavilion Bukit Jalil, which is nearby only, but we need to walk for so long. This is the way to go to pavilion Bukit Jalil. So we are coming out from the KL Convention Centre. We didn't explore much on KL Convention Centre also because it was so big, and since we are new to this place, we don't know where to go to the next place and all. So we didn't explore much at there, and we also didn't get much time to explore it because we entered to the event at 10 a.m. and then we need to check more than 20 booths which is involve many companies. So it takes so long, and then we only have our lunch at 1 p.m. until 2 p.m. and then we continue again the journey which we meet all the workers from the companies. It was too tiring, but very great exposure for me. If the event is coming up next year, do join the event. Surely you will enjoy, but try to go earlier and go with friends or family so you won't stuck at there as alone. And yes, we are going to pavilion Bukit Jalil to meet my friend's sister, and then we will back to home. My friend and I finished the event at 4 p.m. and this is the time that we went to pavilion Bukit Jalil to meet her sister. Since it was on weekend, there are a lot of people at that area. The road was keep on too busy during that time, so if we are crossing the road, we need to be careful. And this is the KL Convention Centre. I could not capture at the beginning, so this one, since we are too tired, we didn't take any tea break, so we just traveled to our hometown. So you can see how busy the road was, and the weather was too hot, but we can manage because of we are sitting inside the car. If you haven't subscribed to Rosh Favorites, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Since we start our journey to go back to our home after 5 p.m., the road was very busy, and the time it was take to we left from Kuala Lumpur itself also it took 1 hour plus. Since I was traveling with my friend and her sister, the journey was good and we talked each other, so it was engaged during that time. I also managed to capture video of Petronas Twin Tower and KL Tower when I'm traveling to home. First, I didn't expect that could see this much near the Twin Tower, but I'm so happy that I was watched this. If you have traveled with your family or friends to Kuala Lumpur, do share your comments in the comment section below how you feel when travel to this place. For me, even though the day was very tired, but I loved the event very much because I could get to communicate with the employees from different companies. So I'm very happy to be part of it. There are also some spot interviews was conducted by some of the employees at there. So it's a great opportunity for us to connect with the employees from the company. After we are out from the town, we enter into a highway, and the highway is going until we reach our home. And yes, that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, do like and share it with your family and friends. I will meet you all in another video. Don't forget to subscribe to Rosh Favorites and support me. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.